Let me introduce myself. I'm Ippei Ogura, Head of Digital Transformation Division at Shiseido Interactive Beauty. Shiseido Interactive Beauty is a joint venture between Shiseido and Accenture. Today, I'm here with Toyoshima-san, Shu Toyoshima-san, and Aiko Kitagawa-san from Accenture to share our story.
Thank you. Hi all, I'm Shu Toyoshima from Accenture Japan, and I'm in charge of digital transformation for Shiseido Group, especially for Shiseido Japan with Shiseido Interactive Beauty and Ogura-san. Thank you for having me.
Hi, my name is Aiko Kitagawa from Accenture Japan as well. I'm in charge of the Shiseido account overall. Okay, so let me quickly go back to the title slide. Reinventing relevancy between consumers and marketing by the power of CDP. With Ogura-san and Shu, we will be sharing how Shiseido has transformed both the way of working for the marketers and the consumer experiences. I'll be guiding the conversation by asking them some questions. Here's the first question. As introduced, we're here as Shiseido Interactive Beauty Team, a joint venture between Accenture and Shiseido. Shu, can you share how it started and what we're trying to do?
Okay, thank you, Aiko-san. In 2021, Shiseido and Accenture established Shiseido Interactive Beauty as a joint venture. So this is for reconstructing the beauty experience that has significantly changed during the COVID-19 and to accelerate digital transformation. So the mission of this organization is clear: to make everyone's life healthy and rich, to offer each and every beauty experiences of tomorrow by making full use of digital solution technology. So this mission is deeply founded in the shared missions and values of Shiseido Group and Accenture. So our goal is to create new experiences by collective of digital and IT specialists.
So now that we have shared who we are, we'd like to move on to the first question. Although one of the key missions of the Shiseido Interactive Beauty is to establish capabilities to accelerate digital growth in Shiseido, they have been actively driving digital initiatives for more than a decade. Not many companies were offering comprehensive online experiences at that time. Ogura-san, can you share what Shiseido offers as an online experience?
Sure. In 2012, Shiseido launched Watashi Plus, an end-to-end beauty site that allows consumers to experience many brands within the Shiseido Group online. To meet consumers' beauty needs, we offer services that enhance OMO opportunities for purchasing cosmetics. In addition, we provide expensive beauty information to help consumers find the right skincare items and makeup techniques. In July this year, it was renewed as the Shiseido online store.
I really love shopping at this site. Not only that it's easy to buy the items that I need, but I can get the guidance and support to choose the right product, just as I shop at the real store. I can feel that there's true connection between the online store and the real stores that I normally shop. Ogura-san, I would like you to share how your site is different from the others.
The true strength of our own EC is its ability to guide online consumers to retail stores. This consumer navigation is unique to Shiseido and a different approach compared to competitors. From the beginning, it was not designed just to sell items, but the integration of real and digital experiences. It connects Shiseido with consumers and delivers exceptional value, providing rich information about our products and beauty services, including personalized counseling and skin measurements. Most of the services that we offer in store are now also available in a digital format. This integration of real and digital is crucial. By implementing Treasure Data CDP in 2016, Shiseido has positioned itself as a leader in the beauty e-commerce market in Japan.
It is,
Thank you. This is share graph.
it is very obvious in this slide that CDP had really helped accelerate the growth of your online store.
We have been implementing Treasure Data CDP to analyze our members' behavior. This helps us understand their past actions and interests. As a result, we can enhance personalized communication through marketing automation.
So I have been working with Shiseido since shortly after the implementation of the CDP, 2017. So thanks to CDP, we had a large amount of data. So we had endless discussion analyzing data and creating consumer strategies.
Indeed, there were tough times. However, since we started to use marketing automation, repeat purchases have increased. This helps us reach our current success.
As a consumer, we normally are only able to recognize the Shiseido online store as an e-commerce site where you can purchase brand items, but it obviously has more thinking behind. They know us and actively thinking what we really want. This is the real benefit of the CDP and the power of all the data that Shiseido has. Let's move on to the next key question. To further leverage the data of e-commerce site members in CDP, Shiseido launched a new membership service called Beauty Key in 2022. It consolidates consumer information into a single ID. Shu, can you please share more about this?
Sure. Beauty Key was developed in a collaboration with Shiseido and Accenture. So this is basically a mobile membership app which represents the Shiseido Group's commitment to data utilization. So with Beauty Key, Shiseido have successfully unified the membership of the owned EC and retail stores under a single ID, so resulting in a consulting database through CDP. So this integration allows Shiseido to provide more seamless experience for consumers, both online and in-store. So Beauty Key enhanced consumer benefits and also integrated consumer data of all among real and digital shops and brands into a unified ID.
I can see that this is full of features that we as consumers expect. I can get quality of service on my phone and don't need to go to the stores anymore. Ogura-san, you shared earlier that Shiseido started one-to-one communication using Treasure Data CDP in 2016. Now, I want you to share how the Beauty Key launched in 2022 influenced your use of CDP. This should have been a strong guide for you to start using the Audience Studio as well.
We consolidated consumer data, which was managed separately by channel and brand, into a unified ID. This has allowed us to establish the Treasure Data CDP as the core of our data usage strategy. In order to maximize the benefits of the integrated data by one ID systems, we recognize that marketers need an effective way to acquire data. For example, when marketers wish to analyze consumer behavior, they must request data extraction using SQL. However, marketers do not always receive all the required data in a single request. After reviewing the initial results, they need to refine their criteria further, leading to multiple back and forth. This takes a lot of time and effort in preparing the data for marketing campaigns. To address this challenge, we utilized the Audience Studio. With Audience Studio, marketers can easily create consumer segments through a simple user interface. It simplifies the process and reduces the time to exchange information between marketers and data engineers for 50%. We not only can obtain a large number of segments, but also automatically visualize insights. For example, the first item a consumer engaged with, their last purchase item, recency, and frequency. This information helps to optimize segments, conditions effectively.
15% of the effort reduced is remarkable. I can see that the marketers can focus now more on what they should be doing, and as a result, brands are reaching the consumers more effectively. It's also unique that segment insight ultimately creates more insights of the consumers you're looking for. I've heard that the treasure data team was impressed with the way that Shiseido is using this.
Okay. Additionally, Journey Insights empowers marketers to gain a deeper understanding of consumers. Through the Journey Orchestration framework, we define consumer stages and map out tailored journeys for each stage. We can categorize stages based on the numbers of items used and visualize the progress of cross-selling. So this allowed us to identify the best orders for introducing items, maximize consumer loyalty, and enhance our campaigns.
That sounds really innovative. Journey orchestration can measure each campaign by understanding how it helped consumers move up stages. This is very effective to create longer-term loyal customers. Now, let's move on to the final question. We shared that with the combination of Beauty Key and treasure data, the marketers and consumers have become closer. Ogura-san, what do you plan next?
Okay. Audience Studio not only simplified data extraction, but also reduced the turnaround time for message delivery. Treasure Data CDP has many connectors to other marketing tools. This helps integrate consumer data from segments created in Audience Studio. Until now, we have triggered message delivery based on consumer actions, such as visiting the e-commerce site or making a purchase. As a new challenge, we initiated communication based on our social media engagement. We can now segment existing consumers who may be interested in highly engaging items and approach them immediately.
That sounds much more effective than the traditional ways. Consumers are getting less vocal, but expecting us to know them more. Unless we know who they are and approaching at the right timing, they can easily shop somewhere else. Ogura-san, before we close this session, can we share what we're exploring with Treasure Data's new functions?
Yes. We aim to provide a new consumer experience that connects in-store service with digital interactions. We want to create a better in-store experience by guiding consumers to the right channels based on their needs. Another example is to show them recommendations based on their purchases and counseling history during waiting times. We envision Journey Orchestration and Real-Time 2.0 as our key solution for those. Thank you. We envision Journey Orchestration Our goal is to achieve consistent communication between in-store and digital experiences. We appreciate your support, and please stay tuned for more updates.
This is really exciting. It's important to understand what the consumers are expecting and how they want to shop. Trying out newest technology and bringing those into business is one of the key missions of Shiseido Interactive Beauty in the Shiseido Group. And I'm happy to see that's happening here. So this is all we prepared to share today.
Thank you for joining the session with us. I hope you enjoy the rest of the CDP World. Thank you.